For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, upgrading to Impact Doors is a smart investment that enhances safety, energy efficiency, and overall home value. With the area's exposure to coastal weather, humidity, and hurricane conditions, Impact Doors provide essential protection. If you're considering this upgrade, understanding what to expect during the replacement process can help you feel confident and prepared every step of the way. The process typically begins with an initial consultation and assessment. A professional will evaluate your existing door, measure the opening, and discuss your needs. This is when you'll choose the style, material, and features of your new Impact Door. Options may include solid panels, glass inserts, or side lights, all designed to meet impact resistance standards. You'll also have the opportunity to select finishes and hardware that complement your home's design. Once your selections are finalized, the next step is precise measurement and ordering. Impact doors must fit perfectly to perform correctly, so accurate measurements are critical. Because these doors are often custom-built to meet both design and safety requirements, there may be a short lead time before installation begins. On installation day, the process starts with preparing the work area. Installers will protect nearby floors, walls, and furniture to prevent damage. They will also ensure that the workspace is clear and safe, allowing the installation to proceed efficiently. The next step is the removal of the existing door and frame. This is done carefully to avoid damaging the surrounding structure. In some cases, installers may discover underlying issues such as wood rot or moisture damage, especially in coastal environments like Palmetto Bay. If this happens, necessary repairs will be addressed before the new door is installed to ensure a solid foundation. After removal, the team will inspect and prepare the opening. This step is crucial for proper installation. The opening must be level, structurally sound, and ready to support the weight and design of the new Impact Door. Any adjustments needed to ensure alignment and stability will be completed at this stage. The installation of the new Impact Door follows. Because these doors are heavier and more robust than standard doors, they require precise positioning and secure anchoring. Installers will carefully set the frame, ensuring it is level and properly aligned. The door is then attached and tested to ensure smooth operation. One of the most important parts of the process is sealing and weatherproofing. High-quality caulking, weather stripping, and insulation are applied around the frame to prevent air and water infiltration. In Palmetto Bay's humid and storm-prone climate, this step is essential for maintaining both energy efficiency and protection against the elements. Once the door is installed, the team will add hardware and finishing touches. This includes installing locks, handles, and any additional security features. Impact doors often come with advanced locking systems designed to provide enhanced protection. Installers will ensure all components are properly fitted and functioning as intended. After installation, a final inspection and testing is performed. The door will be opened and closed multiple times to confirm smooth operation. The seals, alignment, and locking mechanisms are checked to ensure everything meets performance standards. This step ensures that your new door is ready to handle daily use as well as extreme weather conditions. Cleanup is also part of the process. Professional installers will remove debris and dispose of the old door, leaving your space clean and ready to use. This allows you to immediately enjoy the benefits of your new Impact Door without any additional work. Throughout the process, communication is key. A reliable installation team will keep you informed, answer your questions, and ensure that the project meets your expectations. Most installations can be completed within a day, depending on the complexity of the project. In the end, replacing your door with an impact-resistant model is about more than just an upgrade. It's about enhancing your home's safety, comfort, and durability. By understanding what to expect during the process, Palmetto Bay homeowners can approach their Impact Door replacement with confidence, knowing they are making a smart and lasting investment.